One of the leading manufacturers of shell and tube exchangers and exchanger repairs is Gulf Coast Exchanger. We offer full-service design, fabrication, retubing, and repair services 24 hours a day to meet our customers' demanding maintenance and turnaround requirements. Some of the services we can provide to your company are new shell and tube exchanger and ASME pressure vessel manufacturing, in-house heat exchanger and pressure vessel engineering and design, heat exchanger code repairs and retubing, including air coolers, job shop specialty machining, in-plant exchanger repairs, including shell and tube and air-cooled exchanger retubing. Gulf Coast Exchanger operates in a state-of-the-art 24,000 square foot plant with an additional 24,000 square foot expansion project underway. Our exchanger capacity is 108 inches in diameter and 130,000 pounds in weight. Pressure vessel capacity is 12-foot diameter. Our facility houses both vertical and horizontal boring mills, CNC mills and lathes, CNC drills with capacity to drill up to 108 inches in diameter, orbital tube welder and hydraulic extractor, and large capacity welding positioners and manipulators. Gulf Coast Exchanger not only manufactures to your specifications, our exchangers are built to ASME, Tubular Manufacturers Association, TEMA, and API 660 specifications. We also manufacture to an assortment of metallurgies. Gulf Coast Exchanger is the expert in our field. Our engineers, along with management, have over 120 years' experience in shell and tube, design, and fabrication. We have the resources to help with your exchanger needs, create specifications, and answer all of your questions before the design and fabrication process begins. Please call, email, or visit GulfCoastExchanger.com for more information on how we can help with your exchanger needs. Setting the industry standard in pipe fabrication is Gulf Coast Fabricators, which is another company in the Echo Group. In 1994, Gulf Coast was formed to provide fabrication support for routine maintenance and mid-sized capital projects for the regional and petrochemical industry. 24 years later, Gulf Coast Fabricators is one of the largest pipe fabrication facilities between Baton Rouge and Houston, serving the continental U.S. Gulf Coast Fabricators underwent a recent multi-million-dollar expansion, which allows us to increase our annual production capacity in excess of 35,000 spools. Our facility has over 100,000 square feet of actual shop, which sits on a 22.5-acre complex and employs over 150 highly skilled craftsmen. This allows us to provide services across the entire United States. We are an ASME code certified shop that operates under the most stringent codes and customer specifications in the industry. We have the following stamps: U, S, and National Board Inspection Code R. Our diameter capacity is 120 inches, a maximum wall thickness of 3 inches, and a multitude of qualified weld procedures for all grades of carbon steel, chrome moly, stainless steels, and duplex and nickel alloys. As you can see, Gulf Coast Fabricators can execute a wide variety of projects. In addition to providing pipe spools, Gulf Coast Fabricators also fabricate the following: jacketed spools, strainer tees, heater coils, water box coil assemblies, new ASME pressure vessels, and shop repairs and alterations to ASME coated vessels. With our dedicated white metal alloy bay, which includes stainless steels, duplex, and nickel alloys, the concerns of carbon contamination are eliminated. Since 2009, Gulf Coast Fabricators has operated without a lost time injury while working 2 shifts a day. Our high standards on safety, quality, and meeting delivery schedules have led to years of continuous projects with some of the industry's largest refining and petrochemical companies. To find out how Gulf Coast Fabricators can help you with your project, just give us a call, drop an email, or check us out online at GulfCoastFab.com. Thank you for watching. Let's take an in-depth look at the leading structural steel manufacturer known as Gulf Coast Structural Steel and Fabricators. This fully modern shop yields superior quality with a rapid turnaround, even with custom fabrication. Because all project phases are handled in-house, we ensure quality is managed throughout fabrication to job completion. Quality assurance generates predictability and cost efficiency for better protection of your bottom line. Our experienced staff and state-of-the-art equipment enables fast response, maximum flexibility, and complete coordination of all project phases. Here are just a few samples of what Gulf Coast Structural Steel and Fabrication can do for your project. Precision custom sheet metal and plate burning using plasma, water jet, or oxy-fuel. Shearing, braking, punching, and plate rolling. Pipe supports and attachments. Guides and anchors. Pipe and plate shoes. Saddle shoes, and numerous other custom parts. One of the advantages of Gulf Coast Structural Steel is the Peddinghaus beam line. This technology streamlines the workflow that enables us to produce a monthly production of over 350 tons of fabricated steel. What does this mean for your project? It means that we have optimized our capacity and improved flexibility so we can handle multiple complex tasks simultaneously. By maximizing production, we eliminate delays and assure that your project stays on schedule. Gulf Coast Structural Steel and Fabricators work with major industries throughout the United States. Here are just a few of those companies. We would be happy to visit with you and give you more information on this company or any of our 7 affiliated companies under Echo Group. Thank you for watching. Blind Specialist is one of the leading manufacturers and suppliers of industrial isolation and hydro blinds. We have one of the largest blind inventories in the country. Blind Specialist provides customers with access to over 65,000 blinds, which are available to purchase or rent. Safety continues to be the utmost priority for the petrochemical industry. Subsequently, we have recognized a change in the use and design of blinds, which enables all personnel to work in a safe environment by controlling hazardous fluids, vapors, and gases. Blind Specialist also has in-house manufacturing, which is capable of building all types of common and specialized blinds to meet your specifications, ensuring quality parts and a quick turnaround to meet your needs. Here are a few examples of the types of blinds we manufacture. Isolation and hydro paddle blinds, vented paddle blinds, blind flanges, bleeder and test flanges, and spectacle figure 8 blinds. With the demand of many different types of safety blinds on the job site, it can become a major expense for the maintenance, repairs, and storage facility to control loss prevention. Whether you need one blind or hundreds of blinds with lockable racks, we can provide a solution tailored to fit your needs. Renting does have its advantages. Renting blinds rather than owning them might change the way you manage your project. We have designed a color coding and stamping system for easy identification. For example, paddle blinds that weigh less than 50 pounds have a hook handle that can be stored on a lockable rack for safe and easy transport and storage. Paddle blinds weighing more than 50 pounds have a T-handle and are shipped and stored on pallets. Our rental blinds are inspected, maintained, and on the shelf ready to ship. We have the availability to ship blinds 7 days a week, day or night. In just a few short years, we have grown into a company which ships blinds all over the United States and have worked on turnarounds and multi-billion-dollar capital projects. Blind Specialist has hundreds of customers, and here are just a few examples of these companies. If you would like more information on how Blind Specialist can help with your project, please contact an experienced staff member by phone or visit our website to learn more.